Hey everybody, this is Colleen here to do a opening on my brand new Happy Tax Day tool. I bought myself a Ryobi reciprocating saw. It's part of the Ryobi 1 Plus system, and any one of these batteries will work with it. They work you can take one battery and go from one product to the other. I already have the Ryobi caulk gun and I've got the Ryobi cordless pole saw. So now I went and bought myself the Ryobi reciprocating saw. Let's open up and see what we got. So inside the box, we've got cordless saw, and plastic wrap, and a piece of cardboard to hold it up. Out the packaging. Alright, there's the saw. Nice, like this. Just got this switch on the side, so it makes putting the blade in super simple. And it comes with a blade. Also inside the box is an owner's manual. This particular one came with no battery, but I had one waiting. And the battery fits in like that. Got a safety switch. See, simple on that. So let's put in our blade. I have a feeling this one isn't going to come out easy. So, that is why we have a box cutter. Handy dandy utility knife, all in blue. Alright, so here we go. Pull up this side. Looks like a little switch here. There we go. That's simple. That's simple, peeps. That simple. Ladies, this is our tool. There we go. Ryobi cordless, that was pretty simple. Let's see what it cuts. Let's check it on something to cut. Cuts. Well, nice clean cut in an awkward spot. Let's look at it. Look at the cut. Alright, I like it.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I would say that this appears to do the job. As you can see, it's got a little Allen wrench down here for if you need adjustments. I would recommend that everybody take a good look through the owner's manual. It never hurts. But otherwise, look at that. And remember, folks, for safety's sake, take your blade out. Alright, have a good day and happy cutting.